Technician number 4326 was asking on the German subreddit r/Finanzen what he should do with 100k in cash. He calls himself a bloody beginner and says his glass ball fell down. Is that supposed to be funny or what? The most upvoted comment is funny though. I would ask random people on Reddit what to do with 100k cash. Oh, Reddit. Let's help technician number 4326 by seeing what Germans would do statistically with 100,000 euros in this episode of Financecouch. The original plan of Technician Man seems pretty generic to me. 15% in gold, and of course the almighty question, shall I buy now or wait for the gold price to come down? Alright, his glass ball fell down. That's why. 35% in MSCI World ETF, all in or with a savings plan, and 50% cash. Holy smokes! That is almost as generic as 70% MSCI World and 30% emerging markets, where you can read in all the other posts on the German finance subreddit. What I am missing here is the individual financial planning based on your personal situation. It's 100,000 euros, my man. That is life-changing money, so put a little thought into it. How does that sound? But if you don't want to do it, which is fine, I mean it's your money, not mine, so feel free to do whatever the you want. You can spend it on for all I care. Here's how Germans would invest 100,000 euros to give Technician Man some inspiration. And no, Germans would not put everything on a bank account and let the money sleep. Only 36% said they wouldn't invest the money. Statista asked more than 1,000 Germans in summer last year how they would invest 100,000 euros, and 32% said they would invest in pensions. Also 32% said they would invest in crypto. Wow. So we kicked this video off with almost the lowest investment in terms of risk and the most risky investment option. Okay. 32% in crypto seems so much. Was this before or after the crypto crash? When Bitcoin was around 20k? Well, now it's at 15k, so there you go.
But Axel, Bitcoin will rise to 500,000 euros.
Yeah? We'll see about that. I would have guessed pensions are much higher on the list because we Germans love our pensions and insurances, and rightfully so actually. I have a pension myself that allows me to invest in ETFs while deducting my contributions from my taxes at the same time. Which is absolutely awesome because I hate paying taxes. So when there's something meaningful and profitable I can do in order to lower my tax rate legally, sign me up. Next on the list with 38% are bonds. And to be honest, I'm not a big fan of bonds these days. And I haven't been over the last years. What I find much better than bonds after the interest rate increases of last year are high-yield savings accounts. They have been dead with almost 0% interest over the last years, and now they're a really viable option again. As of shooting this video, savings accounts return a little over 2% and fixed-term savings accounts up to 4%. Incredible. Who would have thought about a year ago that we would have savings accounts with virtually no risk because 100,000 euros is insured by European governments with 4% interest? Incredible. The link to both savings accounts calculators is in the description. 40% would invest their money in precious metals, gold and silver and stuff, and maybe even other resources. I don't think there's a lot of interest from you guys about investing in natural resources. Judging from the clicks, you like more things that produce passive income. And an ounce of gold is just laying around doing absolutely nothing. It might increase in price, but it could also fall in price. Like Technician Man's glass ball. Let us know in the comments if you would like to see a video about investing in gold or other precious metals, and we'll do it. What does produce passive income, a lot of it actually, is the next investment. Real estate with 45%. Right after you bought a property in Germany, you might not receive passive income straight away, but after a while you will for sure. More about the relationship between real estate and passive income in this video on the GermanReal.Estate channel. I love investing in real estate, but when scrolling through the comments, that is not even mentioned once in Reddit. A shame. Yes, mortgage rates increased and that's not great for real estate investors, I understand. But I think real estate is still a great investment despite the higher interest rate. And that's why I bought a property in Düsseldorf just last month for you guys to invest in together with me. So stay tuned for big news coming probably next month. What are the top 2 investments of Germans? 54% of Germans would invest 100,000 euros on a bank account. Woo, am I right? Typical German does nothing but lets the money sleep on a bank account. Bank accounts in Germany return also 1 or 2% these days, so it's not nothing anymore. And you can get up to 100 euro bonus if you open a bank account with our best bank account in Germany calculator. But still, invest at least some of the money, guys. Nobody says you should go all in when investing. Everything on red. But start investing slowly but steady. At least some money if you really have 100,000 euro at your disposal. And now the most voted option. How would Germans invest 100,000 euros? 57% would invest in stocks, ETFs or mutual funds. I like it. And that makes Reddit probably happy as well, because that is always the internet answer, right? Invest everything in ETFs. If you want to invest in stocks or ETFs as well and want to find a broker, then check out our best investment account in Germany calculator. Damn, so many calculators today, huh? Seems almost like we want you guys to improve your financial situation by picking the best financial products that are right for your individual situation. And if you don't want to invest completely on your own, because you don't have the time, the knowledge or the desire to do it, then maybe our community investing is right for you. The link to join is also in the description. I hope this episode of Financecouch showed all of you that there are a lot more options to invest your money than just ETFs. The universal answer to absolutely everything from Reddit and the rest of the internet. So feel free to use all of them in order to diversify your portfolio, because diversification is key to investment success.